Good morning, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel Marilet's World. We are back at CVS for the second time this week. If you have matching coupons, I'll show you deals you can combine to save some money. You can get your coupons from newspaper inserts, CVS app, coupons.com, and other manufacturers' websites. Maybelline Cosmetics buy 2 get 5 extra bucks. We'll take this lipstick at $7.99 and Fit Me blush for $6.29. CoverGirl Cosmetics buy 2 get 6 extra bucks. This classic blush for $7.49. This color. We're gonna get this CoverGirl Perfect Blend Eye Pencil for $6.79. Any Colgate Total product spend get 4 extra bucks. We'll take 2 of these Total Whitening. Colgate Total Mouthwash, $5.49. We'll get 2 bottles. Garnier Fructis, 2 for $7. These. We'll take these 2. L'Oreal Elvive Hair Care, 2 for $8. Take this and this. Garnier Whole Blends, 2 for $7. Carefree liners, buy 1 get 1 50% off. They're $4.49. The second one will be half off. And we'll get this 20 count one. Old Spice body wash, buy 1 get second one at 50% off. We'll take this one and this one. They are $6.99 each. The second one will be half off. Venus razors on sale for $7.99. You can buy 1 get 3 extra bucks. Almighty Packs detergent on sale for $2.99. This is my first transaction. Maybelline and CoverGirl Cosmetics, Colgate Total toothpaste and mouthwash. I have this paper coupon for the Maybelline lipstick, $3 off any Maybelline Cosmetics, and paper coupon for Maybelline face product. I have this 4 off of 12 Maybelline Cosmetics digital coupon. I'll be using these digital coupons for CoverGirl, 2 off of 10 cosmetics, 2 off of face product, and 2 off of eye product. There's $3 off of 18 oral care CRT. I have a $3 off 2 Colgate digital coupon. I'll be rolling some extra bucks. A second transaction, I'm gonna do the spend 40 get 10 extra bucks deal. The L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner, Garnier Fructis and Whole Blend, Carefree feminine products, Old Spice body wash. And I'm adding this Venus razor for this deal. Using this paper coupon for this Venus razor, paper coupon for the Garnier Whole Blends hair care, this paper coupon for the Garnier Fructis hair care. I'll be using this $2 off 2 Garnier Fructis CRT. I'm using this 4 off of 18 hair care digital coupon. There's a digital coupon $5.49 off when you purchase 2 Old Spice body wash or dry spray. I'm using this $2 off 8 Carefree products and $3 off 2 Carefree products. Third transaction, vitamins and detergent. I'll be using this $2 paper coupon on the Almighty Packs. I'm back for my second CVS run of the week. If you have time and matching coupons, you can still grab some great deals at CVS, like this L'Oreal Elvive Hair Care and cosmetics for low out-of-pocket. Here are the details of the deals we grabbed today. First transaction, Colgate toothpaste and mouthwash, CoverGirl and Maybelline Cosmetics. Original store retail price is $46.72. Receipt shows the paper, digital, and store coupon applied. I rolled 21 extra bucks and paid $6.28 including tax. I got 8 extra bucks for buying Colgate toothpaste and mouthwash, 6 extra bucks for CoverGirl, and 5 extra bucks for Maybelline Cosmetics, making the cost at $8.28. Second transaction, The hair care, body wash, and feminine products are part of the Spend 40 Get 10 Extra box. I added the Venus Gillette razor. This is my receipt. Paper, digital, and store coupon applied. I rolled 19 extra bucks, but the register adjusted it down to $15.60. My subtotal is $0. Plus tax, I paid $3.74. I got 3 extra bucks for purchasing Gillette Venus razors and the 10 extra bucks for purchasing over $40 worth of P&G products, making the final cost at $6.34. The hair care and body wash tracks toward beauty, so I'll be getting another 3 extra bucks in 48 hours. Third transaction, all detergents and vitamins. Vitamins are buy one get one free. CVS retail price is $30.35. Here's my receipt, the paper coupon, and the store digital coupon of $2 off 10 vitamins applied. I rolled 10 extra bucks and paid 50 cents including tax. Cost is $10.50. These 3 transactions combined cost $25.12 or around $1 each. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and get a chance to save some money at CVS today. If you want to see more videos of couponing, DIY, restoration, and other food videos, please subscribe to my channel, Marilet's World, and check out my playlists. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.